Cheetos blow me away. Whole morning for a while. The way I'm sitting while I'm shitting deep inside it, I swear I'm shitting so good. Then Cheetos blow me away, and I've been thinking about my shits all morning for a while. About the way I twist my face while I'm shitting in and out. When it shocks me, I'm so wild. It's slipping, I'm like, how? First I met you on the gram, I picked you up and ate Chinese. Let me show you what I'm about. Let them haters run their mouth. You should know you something different, cause I shit it in your mouth. So you breakfast on my couch. Anything you never eat, just know I eat it with no doubt. I need Cheetos by my side. If I don't, I'm paralyzed. I hate to see you worry, my little baby, wipe my ass. Baby, I just had some chalky milk and some hot Cheetos on the toilet. Baby, I just had some chalky milk and ate some hot Cheetos on the toilet, making shit sound.